folks, so again it was pretty windy today. Came to Port Mansfield and there was only one place to fish here, and that was on the south side. So that's where I came. I caught a couple of trout, accidentally caught a seagull. That was a lot of fun. Anyway, hope you like the video. If you do, please like and subscribe. Let me know what kind of content you'd like. And most of all, folks, keep it simple, real simple. Thanks for watching. Nice. Live croaker. Got him. Big trout. Well, I'll get you out of here, buddy. All right. See the guy. Whoa, 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 whoa. I'll get you back in. I don't think you're big enough. All right, at 15. Nice. All right. Well, that's one babaloo. Croakers, those gills are super sharp. What I'm doing is right on the back here, just like that. Morning.
Morning. You got prison now?
Yeah, I just caught a trout.
Over here in the 8?
¿Mande?
Aquí en la orilla.
¿Dónde está ahorita?
¿Así?
Uh-huh.
Ya, temprano ahorita aquí, ¿no?
Sí,
Mira.
otra vez.
Pura trucha.
Pura trucha. Yeah. Están chiquitos, pero
La hora ahorita.
está perfecto. Wow, 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 wow. Se pa' carga.
Yo aquí, nosotros aquí fuimos a las casas, fuimos camping.
Ajá.
Estuvimos aquí, no, hombre, casi nunca pescamos nada. Es la suerte, yo creo.
Ah, sí. No, tengo años viniendo aquí.
¿Sí?
Sí.
Todos los Ramón y pesca.
No, no siempre. No. Fuera bueno.
Yeah.
Vez en cuando. Nomás que el aire está muy fuerte ahorita,
¿Qué es la cosa?
so vine para acá. Normalmente voy para allá.
¿Oh, sí?
Ajá. All right. So, same thing with this guy. Right in the back so he can be lively.
¿Qué pone? ¿China o qué?
Es croaker.
¿Ah, croaker?
Sí.
A lo mejor nosotros metíamos puro shrimp.
No, es que no había shrimp y siempre uso shrimp.
Ah,
Sí.
ok.
Siempre. Nomás que no había hoy.
Ya. Bueno, pues suerte.
Gracias.
Vamos a echarle a comenzar a trabajar.
Yes, sir. Got him. Beautiful. Another little trout. Hold on. I will get you out of there. Just hold on a second. Hold on. Trying to help you. There we go. Okay, so you're good. Little hook. Right there where it should be. Another nice little trout. And today, folks, I'm using a Revo rocket and an H&H rod, and I like it. This rocket reel though is very high ratio, 10-to-1, which is not bad right now. Seems to be working pretty good. Hold on there, little buddy. Man, this guy's a little bit bigger. I don't know what that means, but we will see. God dang it. There we go. Stupid bird. Hold on.
They can be so mean croakers.
All right. Let's see. Yeah.
Oh, you're gonna duck cut it?
Yeah. And then let me get that other side. Is it there? That's it? No? Yeah. Thank you, man.
No, no problem.